Now, let's break down the 3 fundamental elements that you'll need to create for all of your videos. The process is quite straightforward. First, you'll need a script for your video content. Secondly, you'll then need a voiceover, right? Somebody narrating and reading that script. And finally, you'll require the video graphics to complement the script and complement the audio and turn it into an engaging visual video that people are going to watch. Now, once you have all 3 of these components in place, you can combine them and craft the video that's ready for upload to your YouTube channel. Regarding video scripts, there's multiple approaches to creating them, right? So you can either write your own, you can hire somebody to do it for you on somewhere like Fiverr, or you can explore other methods like we will in this course in a future specific lecture. Now, similarly for voiceovers, you have options, right? As you will with all of these. You can hire a voiceover artist, again, on Fiverr or any of the other websites we reference. You can do the narration yourself and just use a microphone to record it. Or you can even utilize text-to-speech software for automated narration. But again, I just want you to understand the different nuances and different options available to you. Now, each of these approaches will be explored in detail in the coming lectures, so you don't need to master them. This is just kind of giving you an overview. So now let's touch on video graphics. Now, although we'll delve deep into this in future lectures, here's a brief overview of exactly what it is and how you can do it to help you understand what's involved. Some of the main approaches here are Creative Commons videos, which can be available on YouTube. These are videos with licenses that are allowed to use publicly. However, ensure that if you're using these, you do need to switch them up and edit them around a bit. It's not the best approach, but it is a free approach that you can use in the beginning. But again, you can't just rip somebody's Creative Commons video and use that as your video graphics. It won't work. Again, you need to do something to it. You also need to make sure that it actually has the Creative Commons public use allowed license. Sometimes videos do and sometimes they don't. So always make sure you're sorting for that to make sure and checking the description at the bottom to make sure it says Creative Commons allowed. And always remember that just simply uploading somebody else's video, whether it be Creative Commons or elsewhere, is against YouTube's policies and probably will not let you get monetized, right? Now, if it's a Creative Commons video, you can use that, like I said, but you need to enhance it, you need to edit it around, and you need to add your own spice to it. You can't simply re-upload the same video. Now, alternatively, you could also create video graphics using images. You can download pictures from search engines like Google or other stock photo websites. And it's essential to keep the pace of your pictures and transitions very quick to maintain viewer engagement. Now, if you're concerned about using images, then you can use royalty-free websites so that you don't run into any issues like Pexels, Pixabay, and the list goes on and on. There's a lot of other ones out there. And that will allow you to access high-quality images without copyright concerns. By the end of this course, you'll have a thorough understanding of how to assemble all the relevant pieces that are required to create good faceless YouTube automation videos. So, with that being said, let's hop into the next lecture.